41 million Americans suffer from sinusitis or allergies, so probably someone in your life is feeling a little miserable all the time. Well, we have some really good news for you because we are here at Tampa Bay Breathe Free Sinus and Allergy Centers to talk about ways that you can feel better. Kevin Harrington is here with us, as well as Dr. Mariah Pate. Thank you both for being here. This is a very interesting topic because I think so many people deal with these kinds of issues. That's probably something, I mean, obviously you're seeing all the time.
So absolutely, it's a very prevalent problem, affects so many different people, and it's really impactful in their life. So I'm so happy we're able to treat it here at our center.
Yeah, absolutely. One of those people impacted is Kevin Harrington. Thank you for talking with us. Tell us a little bit about what you were going through.
So I'm one of 6 kids, and my father had the worst sinuses ever, and he gave them to the 3 boys. Okay, so the girls didn't get it, fortunately for them, but I've had terrible sinusitis my entire life. And so I've taken medicine, and then the medicine increases your blood pressure and gets you all hyped up. No good. No, it's not the right way to go. In fact, you know, my doctor said you got to get your blood pressure down to a normal pace. So at the end of the day, this procedure was awesome because I walked out of here after the 1 week wait that you got to wait, because you have the procedure and you're a little bit bruised in the process, but once that settles, my breathing was unbelievable. Really, just like it was like I can't even imagine being stuffed up the way I was before.
Yeah,
anymore.
I was going to say, what were your symptoms then? Because this is something you were dealing with your whole life.
Every morning, my wife would say, "Kevin, you wake up, you're blowing your nose, you're getting your sinuses clear," waking her up, the whole house up, right? But now I just wake up. And it's just, I'm breathing normal. It's just unbelievable. Yeah. Really nice.
That's got to be a life-changing thing for you.
Absolutely, yeah. And now I'm telling my brother and my older brother also, because they need to get in here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the procedure that he's talking about is a sinuplasty. So tell us a little bit about what this is.
So a sinuplasty is a minimally invasive procedure that's done here in the office. It's done under local anesthesia. So you don't have to go under general anesthesia, which is quite a benefit. So I use minimally invasive tools, and I use a balloon to actually go into the natural opening of the sinus and dilate it open. And then we drain everything out. We reduce the tissues in the nose so they're nice and open, and it just allows the sinuses to flow the way they should. So taking away those years of congestion and buildup that accumulates due to chronic sinusitis. So patients, come in, they're here for about an hour. The procedure takes about 30 minutes or so. Recovery is about 24 to 48 hours, and then full relief usually comes for most people within the week.
So people listening to this thinking that he's felt this way his whole life and he now is just talking about how wonderful he feels. What should they be thinking about symptom-wise if they have a certain symptom or certain things that they're dealing with all the time that could be a good candidate for this kind of procedure?
So symptoms to look for are nasal congestion, runny nose, having that stuffed up nose in the morning, snoring, facial pressure. If you have a lot of infections throughout the year, even ear pressure, ear pain, those can be things that can manifest like chronic sinusitis. And, medicines can only be like a Band-Aid. So, if you're trying the medicines and they're not giving you full relief and it's a longer term problem, more than a couple months, then you absolutely should come in and look at other options, because it is a pretty straightforward fix.
Yeah. And something you would probably recommend to a lot of people, wouldn't you?
Yes, I would. In fact, when I heard the term the balloon sinuplasty, it sounds a little formal, but the concept of a balloon blowing up and clearing your sinuses just makes total sense. And so you can just understand that it sounds like it works. It does.
Yeah. This is really a passion. You have a lot of passion for this. So where does that come from?
Well, it's incredible to be able to deal with patients day to day and hear about how it's impacting their life, impacting their relationships, and being able to offer a straightforward solution to help them feel better pretty quick. And people just come in so happy, and so we have such an amazing job to see those people for recovery, and they just feel so much better.
So if people have these symptoms, or they at least want to get some more information, how can they find you?
So you can visit our website at Tampa Bay Breathe Free, or you can give us a call at our office, and we'd be happy to get you in very quickly.
Dr. Pate, thank you so much. Kevin, thank you so much for sharing your story. We appreciate it.
My pleasure.